Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Xbox 360 model and current dashboard version. This determines the official update path. Back up your game saves to Xbox Live or copy them to a FAT32 USB stick, because updates can risk data. Once done, download Microsoft's official system update through the console, or, if needed, grab the update package from Microsoft onto a USB. Make sure the controller is charged and the console has a steady internet connection before proceeding. With the USB inserted or online, navigate to Settings and run a connection test so downloads are stable. Then go to Console Info and Updates. The console will detect an official update on USB or via Xbox Live. Follow the on-screen prompts to install. This can take 10-30 minutes, so be patient. Don't interrupt power or eject storage during the process, because corrupted installs create more work. Once the update completes, the console reboots and applies new dashboard features automatically. After the reboot, check the console info to confirm the dashboard version updated correctly, and then restore any local saves from your backup or Xbox Live. Next, personalize the new dashboard. Open Profile and customize to change themes, avatars, or backgrounds so the interface matches your preference. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Clear the system cache and retry the install, and if problems persist, use a wired Ethernet connection and repeat the update to reduce network errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.